Alright, so I think it's a 2022 or 2023 Navi. I couldn't even tell you. I forget now. It's 2022 Navi, and so if you just watched my other video, we opened this up and did a few things in there. Obviously it's not stock, it's already idling super good in here because it's kind of warm in here. I changed the mirrors out, so new mirrors off Amazon. They're like 25 bucks. I'm dumb, it was an easy install, I'm just dumb. But yeah, I don't know, they definitely don't come out as much. The other bar mirrors like ended up over here, and that's why I only had one, so that I wouldn't be hitting cars like when I was lane splitting. But yeah, so this will be the first ride, the first video of me doing a regular trip, and I'm gonna fix these brakes really quick. So I'm pausing this part of the video so I can show you guys, look, it's not a full tank of gas and we still made it all the way into the city and back, and this is my tank afterwards. So yeah. So yeah, that's my Honda Navi box. I had a 14 in here. There goes the 14 I was looking for. I forgot. I wanted to show y'all the gas tank, number one. I don't know. It's recording. The gas tank is gonna get us home for sure. And then I was gonna show you guys like my favorite Honda Navi feature other than the box, right? Is this. So you take that out, it has a little place for your registration. My registration is cooked, I gotta get a plastic bag and I have it. You take out your helmet, and my favorite thing is this little place to put your helmet. Come right here, strap it in. It looks super profesh. Like that. Yo, man, you're gonna scratch your stuff. Don't even worry about it. But yeah, and then it has two spots for it, so I can carry a passenger helmet and ride with my helmet. Other than the kickstart too, the kickstart is pretty fun. And then so I'll come right here and I'll just lock this, and I'll come down here and I'll grab my lock and I'll put my lock on it, and now I know it's double screw. This is my sheet for it. Dang, oops, off balance. You just want to give it a full twist because you're twisting that thing. You're twisting that little. See, then the nut is gonna give you more stud, or how you call it, more spaces. But you just want to twist it. Oh, my hands are gonna get grease on it. I'm gonna have to wash my hands later. But yeah, you want to give it a twist. Dang, that one's tight, so I want to say I twisted it each a couple times, and the back brake should be all right. We'll live. We'll be okay. But it's as simple as that. You just put a 14 on there and you twist it, and then you get like more it's not studs, you get more thread. You get more thread. Before I almost ran out of thread on those nuts and it almost fell off, so I gotta adjust those brakes more, I think. Let me get out of here, let me get on the road. Alright. I mean, so far I like these mirrors though, because I think I could actually see out of them. Have a little, like, twist it like that. Oh, that is definitely better.
Hi, I'm David John, and I'm new to editing, I'm new to YouTube, and I would love to hear what you have to say in the comments down below. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you want to see in the next video. Also, this is your headphone warning. It might get a little loud because of that new exhaust. And like I said, go watch my other videos to see what we put in our 2022 Honda Navi.
Gotta get a microfiber cloth and clean that. Oh. Alright. Alright. This is the take. This is my favorite road. It's the beginning of my trip. But yeah, you kind of have to two-step it now. I watched the video and this guy was like, you kind of two-step it. So yeah, I'd say for 75 bucks, you're definitely increasing your mid-range. Your throttle is gonna be way smoother in that mid-range. The beginning, let me see, is it recording? It's recording. Dang, I almost dropped the mic. Oops. Sorry, I'm just trying to have this commentary so that when I edit it, I could type on screen and stuff. So yeah, like sometimes it feels like you gotta two-step it. Don't. But now it's really smooth off that pull. Before it was taking a minute. Now I kind of get off of it real quick. I gotta watch out for the speed. Hold up. I got my little high vis Batman cape on, so like, you know, People could definitely see me. People definitely hear me. Yeah, people definitely see me. She's probably a little gassy. Probably a little gassy. I'm not even, you don't even use the bar and mirrors like that, but dang, yo, this profile is so sick. Yeah, but, oh shit. Like, comment, and subscribe, because I gotta pay these speeding tickets. Please. It finds itself good, and then yeah, you see what I'm saying? I can just pick it at any place in the throttle, and it'll pick up, you know. Before it was like it was winding so much at that bottom end, and it just was winding it out. Now it's half winded, I feel like. You definitely gotta let go. Before, I would have to hold on to it. That's why I think it's so gassy. I think because you really gotta learn your new throttle. It's a brand new throttle. With all these pieces I put on, it's a brand new throttle now. It's not the same bike anymore. Dang, bro. But that's what I love about the Navi. Look, all this traffic. I'd be waiting at this light 3-4 times, maybe even 5 times, just to get through one light. And look, with the Navi, bro, I went through it, bro. There's no waiting on the Navi. This is what I do every single day and how I make it to school on time. The GPS will say an hour, bro. The GPS will say a whole hour, hour and like 10 minutes. And this cuts it in half. And we only had half a tank. So watch that. We only had half a tank. I only put $1 on it the other day. Alright, this gravel I don't like this gravel. I'm not gonna do it. Because that gravel is not the Navi's friend. I'm gonna be honest. Like if I had to stop right there, I would have fucking killed myself. traffic now, a little bit of traffic. Alright, that's me. He's making a right and I was gonna cut him off, so you should not do that. Do not cut people off. See, sometimes I make mistakes. I make mistakes. I make mistakes. People know, like, look, I'm in the lane too, and you know, it is a little gassy. I don't know if I need to do the needle or do a jet or do something with it, but it is a little. And that's what I'm saying right there. Might not have a two-step in, but not really. You can see we're rolling, and then we're able to pick it up. About the pipe. Oh, you're not gonna be able to hear me, but if I do a voiceover, I do a voiceover. I was watching this guy's video. Dang, you're not gonna hear it. I was watching this one guy's video and he said stock has half a horsepower more stock than with this pipe. But I gotta say, as a smaller rider, as a lighter rider, being able to maneuver it and taking off that weight, that freaking stock exhaust is like an anchor, man. It's gonna weigh you down, and like I never felt confident lane splitting with that shit on because I felt like it stuck out so far, whereas like this one is so much more on the bike. This one is so compact, it's so much smaller. It's like a third of the size, and so he might say it gives you less horsepower. I'm saying it's lighter weight, gonna give you more speed. So, you know, and it was a one-off video. He got a dyno and I don't, so. But yeah, we're almost there. We're almost there. This is like the halfway point. This is like the halfway point. After this, we're done. would have been able to cut everyone off. I'll come to the turning lane and I'll cut everyone off because I don't give a that's so bad. And I'll cut everyone off because I can. There's so many things that you could do with this bike that you can't do with a car. Like U-turns and like making mistakes on this bike is so like easy. Like it. If I'm driving and I miss a parking, I gotta keep going on a one-way. I just can't. I can't stop my car. You know what I mean? I have to keep going. Like, you know, you're an asshole if you stop in the middle of your car and double park or like mess everyone out. But with this, you could just do little U's and you're good. Okay. See, like these. Oh my God, it's like. Cold though, I'm not gonna lie. See, like, how am I gonna be able to predict that? How can I predict that? How can I predict that? I can't. So you gotta be careful. I can't predict that. Like, I literally cannot predict that. The Barclays Center with Atlantic Center. Get a full clip. Yeah. It's 12 o'clock on the dot. I got 30 minutes to get there. Oh no. And right now I'm dragging my foot a little bit. Go left. the front brake. I don't know which one I gotta adjust. I gotta adjust one of the brakes. I think I threw my phone in my bag. I don't know. My phone was dead, so I have no idea where it is. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. My friend has a CBR, and literally this piece and this piece, like those pieces are the same as the CBR. This and this, the light switch, yeah. So Honda knows what they're doing. Why would you go back? Why would you go back? Why would you go back? It's making it right? No. Why would he go back? I don't got time, huh?
So I guess I really don't like the Prius.
Trying to get stuck behind all these people. Is it still going? It seems to be. What's the battery at? It's like 80. Alright, so I'm just gonna stop it here just so I know where to pick it up from. Let's see if I can get ahead of these guys. It's looking kind of tight though. Alright, so we're gonna rip this. We're gonna go. Unless they calling me in. They calling me in on the fucking phone, bro. The boys, bro. They telling them, yo, bro, he's gonna be on the other side of the bridge. You better catch this dude this time. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? You never know what it's gonna be like getting on this bridge. Sometimes it's empty and you can rip this whole thing, and sometimes it's not. Oh, that mirror just saved my life. That mirror just saved my life. I ain't gonna lie. That mirror just. I said, oh wait, there's a Volkswagen in my mirror. Oh shit. Let's see if I can get some views. Let's see. Oh, that boat is chugging, yo. Full wrist, max test. Okay, there it is. Alright, there you go. There's a little adjustment right there. I can see over my shoulder. You really gotta tuck. To see over. Yes, this is right when I'm gonna need to adjust. So I got 1 foot off the bike and 1 foot on it, and I'm balancing. And I let go. That was sick. That was a good pull. That was a really good pull. We just gotta go to parking. Man, I hate red lights. So this one. You know what it is? This one has a nut in it and it's higher, even though it should be the same level of that. No, it should be the same. No, it's the same. I don't see why not. So I don't see why I'm getting a different angle on that. Yeah, I gotta bend my head down. I don't know. See, that's another reason. Everyone loves this bike. Everybody loves to look, and it's great. And I did see another one actually yesterday. That's mad funny. I saw a nut brown Honda Navi yesterday. How have I not seen it any sooner, bro? Look new too. Look pretty new. But yeah, I would say the stuff that I put in it, it helps with that low end. It helps give you that quick excel. I don't know if I can recommend the sliders just alone. I wouldn't recommend the sliders just alone. I would say at least get some clutch springs. If you're gonna do sliders, I would definitely say at least get some clutch springs because yeah. Alright. I just wanna go slow because he's driving a broken up, busted ass Range Rover. I don't know. He's from Jersey, he have no idea. Jersey people don't know how to drive. Cause I don't even know what he wants to do. He looks like out of it, he looks lost. Alrighty. Let's relax, let's relax. We got some time. private parking. Ta-da.